Hi guys and welcome back to my channel or welcome if you are new here. आज मेरे साथ है मेरी bestie रूरू and I'm very excited for this video.
Me too.
क्योंकि आज हम करने वाले हैं कुछ very exciting. रूरू go ahead.
So we're gonna style each other न्यूमी के कपड़ों से.
2 दिन पहले we ordered stuff from Numi and 2 दिन में Numi का आ भी जाता है सामान, so that's why I'm so excited to just try all this outfits that Ruru got for me and I got for Ruru.
Yes.
And
Also there's a twist and it's a big twist कि हम लोगों ने 4 outfits decide करे हैं जिस outfits में
for different occasions.
For different occasions,
Yeah.
basically, yes.
And those are basically date night, brunch date, arcade,
Revenge outfit.
revenge. I want to see the revenge outfit.
Me too.
You should see the one that I got for you. It's bomb. I'm so excited to try all the outfits.
I mean, we already look like we're gonna go for some revenge.
Yeah, and by the way, the outfit that we were wearing right now
Is
is
also-
also Numi. Literally, मैं बताऊँ, मेरी पूरी closets में Numi के कपड़े पड़े हैं.
Numi is amazing, guys.
Exactly. पूरे outfit, like, my whole wardrobe is filled with Numi, with not only just one particular type of clothes, just different type of clothes, you know.
Numi is amazing. Freshest,
Yes.
fastest
Fashion. Shall we start?
Yes. Let's open the box. We're gonna start with brunch date with girlies. That is very important.
I chose,
I got this for her.
and I got this.
Oh
for
my
you.
god, that is so light. I don't understand light colors.
That's why I wanted you to
That's-
try this.
Yeah, and that is why I got you something.
So we're like exchanging our aesthetics, I guess.
Yes.
Sort of. So let's go.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly go and try it.
Me too.
And I can't wait to show you guys.
Me
Let's
too.
go. I love it. I love it really.
Me too. Me too.
I love that it's a 2-piece and you can basically mix and match it as well at one time.
And I like it is backless.
Most of the outfits I got for you was backless because I want to see those tattoos. So on those tattoos, girl. And this looks so good on you. I don't know why you don't wear like light colors, bro.
I love it. I absolutely
I
love
love it too, Ruru. Thank you. And जो भी outfits हमने पहनना है अभी, all the order product IDs will be mentioned in the description box. Okay, so do check it out.
Yes. So I hope you guys like the outfits.
I loved it. Me too. Next, we're gonna go with arcade. So for arcade, we have.
I got you a cute cord set. A very cute cord set.
I think so too. And for you, I got this really cute pants and top, which I think like would really look flattering on you. So
I
let's
love
go
pants.
ahead.
I love pants.
And the thing I like about this dress is that it's backless, and you know Ruru has a lot of tattoos, especially on her back, so it will really flaunt her tattoos. So that's why
I love this. I love that hot. We're gonna try this on.
Outfit number 2. So this is the arcade fit, and this is what I got for her. The pants are just slaying.
I love the top.
So basically for arcade, you want to look stylish yet comfortable.
Yes.
So this is.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am. I need to slay, right?
I love it. I love this fit. I love this. I'm stealing this fit I got from her. I'm gonna steal it.
I'm gonna steal this. We can just.
You can steal me.
Yeah. I can't wait to go to an arcade date wearing that. I seriously can't wait.
Me too. I love pants. I love the backless top. I love it. It's so my aesthetic.
Yes. Now let's go for our another outfit, which is
Date night.
I'm so excited for this one.
She was saying that she took she got a very cute revenge dress for me. I got a very nice and hot, sizzling hot dress for her for the date.
I got you a really nice and cute dress as well.
Oh, we're gonna see, I guess.
I got you this. Red. Ooh, I
Red.
love it already.
Spicy.
And white. It gives you like a very calm and cute vibes.
Yeah. I mean, I loved the blue dress. We're definitely gonna love the white one too.
Okay, let's see this.
Let's see.
Let's go guys. Outfit number 3, the date dress. My outfit really says date, and this is also the dress, like very similar to the one that Disha Patni. Sorry, Disha. I really love that how it flaunts your titties. Yes, and I love the slit. How it
Yeah, even I like this slit.
Yes, I love it, and I think the material of both of our dresses are like really nice.
Satin, good satin.
Yeah, good satin. It's so.
I just need to press it down a little.
I love the color contrast also here.
Me
the white
too.
and-
So,
This is a backless. Backless. जब कौन है? वो नहीं बोलती है.
जिसने पीछे मुड़ के मुझे
Who is he? Backless. It's backless.
Okay, last but not the least, my favorite revenge dress. Let's go. Okay, where are you gonna wear this revenge dress? Someone's funeral. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, we both chose black.
Black. I think black, of course, revenge
Yeah,
dress.
black
is
is the revenge dress. Yes, definitely.
So this is yours.
This is yours.
And let's go and try out our revenge dress. Watch out! Watch out!
I always.
Saving the best for the last. Revenge.
I love
this. Just look at the train that it goes.
Yeah. It can also turn into a
Yes. Yeah, or just joke.
And I love this. The
And
material is also really
I
nice.
don't know if you can see it through the camera. It's totally see-through. I mean, just wow. Your turn. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And it has slits on both the sides.
No slits.
And out of all the outfits, I think this is my favorite.
Me too. Me too.
I can't wait to wear
Me
this.
too. This and the top. This and the top.
Yes, I can't wait to wear this outside for a revenge dress. Throw it like this. Because it's amazing. Love it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed watching us trying on this really cute and sexy outfit from Miu Miu, of course. And I can't wait to do this more often with Ruru. Start with Yumi.
I can't talk. I'm too mesmerized by this dress.
I am too.
I can't stop looking at myself.
So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything.
Yes.
And do it for my channel as well.
Yes, you can subscribe to Ruru's channel as well. We'll be coming up with more awesome videos. So that's it guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.